Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. Welcome, my friends, and today we have to talk about Take-Two Interactive Software. So that's the total name. All right, guys, so this is the chart. So we have some earnings and we have some news and all of this now in this video. I'm invested myself in Take-Two, and I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a YouTuber, retail investor myself. So please don't buy anything you see in my videos. So let's jump directly in, my friends. So this is the 5-year. That's the long time chart. So I was also putting a little Fibonacci retracement in, and you have seen today we are up 5.21%, and even after hours, even post market, we are up already 1%. Here we see 1% up. So we were actually after hours up $150. So and now we're back to $145.40 dollars. So at the moment, we are at $145, and probably you told yourselves, oh, at $90, oh, Take-Two is never going to release GTA 6 or new Red Dead Redemption. They go down, they go bankrupt, therefore I will never buy this stock. Yeah, guys, I mean, when it was at 90, I was actually loading a little bit the boat. I was buying some of the stock because on pure technical elements. So I really have to tell you this. So because here in March 2019 we were around about this Fibonacci retracement around about €90. So sometimes you really pick it up nicely, but sometimes you also miss it, and then of course then it goes up, and then you tell yourself, I don't want to buy now. So at the moment, as you can see here, we are at another Fibonacci retracement at 140, let's say 150, 145 dollars. So let's see if this is actually holding, because the numbers are not so good. Mr. Orange, when are you coming finally to the numbers? Mr. Orange, when are you going to show us the trailer of GTA 6? Guys, calm down, relax. So I first talk a little bit about the chart, then we jump to this big news, and then we go to the numbers, and then also to the presentation. So all right, so where was I, guys? So overall, I think when I look here at this trend line, I think the chart looks good. It's actually one of the more pretty charts of the gaming companies overall, and Take-Two Interactive is actually also not a small gaming company. They were acquiring, for example, Zynga, the mobile company, as well. So they're also now part of Take-Two Interactive. And I would say I'm happy to hold it right now. And if we go back to $120 or something like this, then I'm also happy to purchase some more. And of course, then back to $90, I'm also happy to purchase some more. But of course, the $90 are important that they are holding. Whew. All right, so Take-Two Interactive here, some more information. Market cap is $24 billion US, and we have like 11,000 people working there at the moment. And also, if you look at the income statement from 2019, you can see that in 2023 now the net income is negative, and it was actually slightly positive in the years before. And 2023, I don't know which hour of the numbers, which quarter is here already included. Now it's just until June, but overall here we see that the net income was negative, net profit margin massively down. Then in 2022, net profit margin was also down, and in 2021, with regard always to the previous years, the net profit margin was actually up. So, all right, guys. So here is Games Industry Biz, good article. You see already the big highlight. So Take-Two losses deepened to $543 billion in last quarter. So yeah, is it real? Yeah, it's billion. So no, that's not billion. So that's not billion. That's not billion here. No, it's million. So, all right, you see, don't believe everything you read on the internet. So, it's billion is wrong, but I'm really thanking them for this article. They made this really quickly. So, it's of course billion. That's like an apple. So, the numbers here: net revenue is down 7% year on year, 1.3 billion. Net losses for 543 million. Down like 111.5%. That's that's really bad. That, and then also total net bookings, and I'm not going here on those details. We can see this immediately at another point. So here, The Verge, another article, that's the post on X, but I found it here on The Verge. So we are excited to let you know that in early December we will release the first trailer for the next Grand Theft Auto. Grand Theft Auto 6 is announced. It is announced with that because they're saying they are releasing the first trailer. The first trailer, and everything you have seen now were leaks and that were not there, didn't really exist. So we look forward to many more years of sharing these experiences with all of you. Thank you, Sam Hauser. I mean, one thing is clear, my friends. One thing is clear. One thing is so clear. Grand Theft Auto is the most important franchise of this company. If they don't have Grand Theft Auto, they have a problem. They have a problem. So if here we can see all this. Yeah, let's go actually here to the presentation. So that's the cool presentation. So we have here a quick presentation with the numbers again. Here you see the numbers. I'm putting you also a link down below the video. Then you see actually all those numbers for yourself. It's sometimes a bit easier than to understand. Also here, press release also with the numbers, but we go in the slide. So if you were holding up until now, so I invite you to continue watching it now. So this is now the earnings report, and of course, if this is not too much numbers for you, then anyways, thank you for watching. So Take-Two Interactive is, in my opinion, an interesting stock, but of course, this is no financial advice, my friends. So company overview, let's start. So here, those are the companies: Rockstar, 2K, Private Division, Zynga. And then the strategy is the approach. The strategy is with a diverse portfolio that spans all key platforms and numerous genres. We strive to captivate our global audience by creating the highest quality, most engaging interactive entertainment franchises in our industry. Yeah. Creativity, innovation, efficiency, they say, for example. Yeah, I believe this. So our strategy advantages to drive growth, world-class creative teams, empower our talents, industry-leading titles. So this sounds like ChatGPT was actually writing this. So I guess we can continue here. So Strauss Zelnick, so he is 16 years, since 16 years, the CEO and chairman with Take-Two. So that's actually really massive. So Karl Slatoff, president, also 16 years. Lainey Goldstein, 20 years. And then Emerson, the chief legal officer. So this is the guy that always takes your awesome mods down, your VR mods for the Grand Theft Auto game. So he 18 years. So yeah, those legal guys. They steal our mods. So 14 franchises with individual titles that have sold in over 5 million units. So actually they should just make a real VR DLC or VR or just implement VR also in some of the older games. So 14 franchises, here you see them all, mostly you know them, and then here also the franchises from Zynga games. And then we have significantly expanded our development staff, so support our pipeline. Then you see this jump in 2022 with Zynga. Now they are at 8,894 in 2023. So it's actually not correct what is here on Google Finance, because probably they also kicked some people out. Expanding market opportunities. That's important, guys, for each person, honestly, for each person that is still watching my videos and also knows now that we're in this market crash, guys. So that's very important. So mobile growing, digital PC also growing, digital console also growing, and physical console PC might be actually here going down. But overall, we see that the global video game market in billions, this is now in billions, guys, so is growing from this year, 212 billions projected to 246 billion. So it's a nice, steady growth, though. IDG Consulting, May 2022. So last year. Now I would say, yeah, last year there was no market crash in the gaming industry. That's true, but still the growth, I still believe that's correct. Gaming industry has strong secular tailwind. So estimated 3.2 billion global video game players in 2022. 3% total global video game players, CRGR, expected then for the next 3 years. Mobile gaming market reached 123 billion in cross bookings in 2022. Wow. Wow. That's crazy numbers. Rockstar Games, diverse portfolios here. The Grand Theft Auto franchise. Yeah, Grand Theft Auto 5, approximately 190 million units sold to date. Reach $1 billion in retail sales, faster than any entertainment release in the history. I mean, guys, this is just crazy. And therefore, Grand Theft Auto 6 is so important. It is so important for this company. I mean, otherwise, if this game would never come out, of course, the company would be overvalued. Then also Red Dead Redemption franchise sold 81 million units. 81 million. Grand Theft Auto 5 alone, 190 million units. And the whole franchise here, GTA, 410 million units. Guys, those are really crazy numbers for video gaming. So Rockstar Games. Then they also have like Max Payne, LA Noire, Midnight Club. So I definitely look forward to those remakes of Max Payne, but also a great Max Payne 4 would be amazing. So 2K Sport Shooter, action role-playing, owned IPs, 7 wholly owned studios. So also they make all those 2K, NBA, 2K, whatever games. So here I'm jumping over this, but that's also important that you have a sports franchise. So, I mean, it's still important. Then Borderlands, BioShock, Civilization, great games. Then wrestling games, golf games, so they're a bit more niche sport games. And then Private Division key releases. Here we have Kerbal Space Program 2, very important. And then a bit more indie games, The Outer Worlds, Oli World, Roller Dome. And then forthcoming games to be released from owned studios and re-owned independent developers. So that's also pretty cool. So they're releasing games then by Roll7, Bloober, also this Polish gaming company. They are working together also then with Take-Two. And then we have Zynga, global player base across 175 plus countries. So Zynga was a known stock. I had it once, and Take-Two was buying it from me. They were stealing it from me, so I couldn't hold on. I had to give it to them. So, but Zynga was a cool company, I think. But now they're part of Take-Two. So here. The mobile part, so you can look through this. Company growth drivers, strong fundamentals, and a healthy balance sheet position us for a long-term trajectory. So key business drivers to grow our scale and enhance our margins. Investing in the strongest, most diverse development pipeline, so their games, promoting engagement and growth in recurrent consumer spending. So that's microtransactions. Creating value from our combination with Zynga, very important. Pursuing various emerging opportunities, geographies, and new businesses. Continued focus on M&A to enhance growth potential and deliver long-term shareholder value. Oh, thank you. I want to see this. So investing in the strongest development pipeline in the company's history. Titles officially announced up to date. And now you say, where is Grand Theft Auto? Where is Grand Theft Auto, guys? I didn't see it, my friends. I didn't see it. It's not here. No, it's not here. A couple of other games, but the new Grand Theft Auto is not there. Pipeline definitions. Yeah. Definitions you can read. Key, so that's maybe interesting. Promoting engagement, growth in recurrent consumer spending. So how do you get you guys, you gamers, how do we get you to spend all your pocket money on some, let's say on some coins that you spend again in your NBA game that you can play by a player. So something like this. How do we get your money? We want your money. So this is us, the mean capitalists. So key growth drivers, enhance live service across entire Zynga portfolio, create new games, expand hyper casual, will focus on profitability, pursue high growth and emerging mobile markets, grow advertising, test new business models, and explore select mobile M&A opportunities. And then key growth drivers drive virtual currency sales in existing games. So give me your pocket money. I want your pocket money. Give it all to me. So I give you a virtual currency, and then you can buy yourself a skin for a basketball or skin for GTA Online, so that you can maybe run faster or whatever. Create add-on content for key titles, including seasons passes, DLC packs, develop a post-launch monetization plan for each new title in our pipeline, and deliver select free-to-play console games. So we're going to get you, first we give you a free game, and then when you're hooked, then we take the money out of your pocket. So we want all your pocket money. So guys, you have to understand this. We want your pocket money. We are the mean capitalists. Leveraging Zynga's best-in-class platform, unlocking significant revenue opportunities and cost synergies from Zynga combination. So here, voilà, we believe we can deliver over 500 million of annual net bookings opportunities over time. I mean, here now they have to defend their acquisition of Zynga, obviously. So therefore, all this information, but that's good. I hope it's true, and I hope it's going to happen because I'm a shareholder. So continued focus on M&A to enhance growth potential and deliver long-term shareholder value. So you see all the companies, the studios they were already acquiring. So let's see what's next. The financials. Driving long-term net bookings growth. Net bookings reflects our transformative combination with Zynga. Here you see full game and other sales. So it was going up. The moment Zynga was part of them, it was going up massively, almost 2,000 million, 2 billion. Net bookings are diversified across various platforms. So that's the net bookings. Mobile, PC is so little, and on console, of course, also massively. But mobile is now big part. Strong cash balance. Well, after the acquisition, obviously it fell, but they were building this nicely up since 2019 and probably before. So, but I guess that's due to the acquisition of Zynga. So yeah, commitment, blah blah blah, giving back. I'm not really interested in those informations. 12 months, and that's all. Now the non-GAAP financial measures. Now we have to check net cash from operating activities. Yeah, definitely 1.1 in thousands, 1.1. And last year it was 257. So net change in restricted cash, adjusted unrestricted operating cash flow. Also, all of those metrics are down, my friends. So Take-Two Interactive Software and subsidiaries reconciliation of GAAP to non-GAAP measures. So what is important? It's down. That's down. So here we don't see anything. Then we have to go back to the other slides. Here we go. Let's go to those slides, and here it's a bit better to get some more information. So operating expenses, and then we have the guidance. This was the guidance. So expenses are over the guidance. Net revenue are more or less like the guidance. GAAP net loss, 553, and the guidance was only 170 to 153. So the GAAP net loss is extremely high with regard actually to the guidance. So GAAP earnings per share is also in a loss, and also much higher than it was. My God, those numbers are not good. That's not what we want to see. Select management operating results. So we delivered another great quarter, which demonstrate the enduring strength, blah, blah, blah. Net bookings were 1.44 billion, which was at the high end of our guidance range. Our performance reflects better than expected results from Grand Theft Auto 5 and online Red Dead Redemption 2. Recurrent consumer spending declined 7%, which was in line with our outlook. On a management basis, operating expenses were flat year over year, which was favorable to our guidance, driven by lower marketing expenditures, some of which was shifted to later this year. Later this year, guys, I tell you, GTA 6 is coming. Net cash for operating activities. So here we have the fiscal year 2024, the overall the guidance again. So the GAAP net revenue, the net revenue guidance is unchanged. And operating expenses are up. The net loss is also higher expected than previously, and the earnings per share is the loss. It's parenthesis is always the loss, is also higher than expected. Not good. good, my friends, not good. So what do we have here? The guidance for the third quarter fiscal guidance. So here you get the guidance. So numbers are not so amazing, but it's simply as it is. I mean, they're still not really profitable. So we really have to wait for GTA 6 to come. But I would say even if they're not profitable now, even if they have a bad time and they're not really releasing new games, so the moment actually the new GTA comes out, a new Red Dead Redemption or other games, so I'm actually hopeful. I'm hopeful that they can continuously grow, and then also now with the mobile market, with the hyper casual mobile market, so there are a lot of opportunities. So let's go back and have a look at the stock. I mean, it started all in 2012 and then 2016 and then 2017. The stock was really having a breakout. I remember people were buying this then a lot. 2018, 19, we were flipping back. So all the growth stocks were actually having a problem at this time. And then it was the total breakout, of course, during the pandemic. And since then it fell. But now I hope we can accelerate a little bit between 143 and 90 US dollars. So everything looks okay for now, but GTA 6 has to come out, guys. So it has to come out. So so much information with this. I'm leaving it here again, a very long video. So, but I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed this video, my friends, then please leave a comment, like this video, invite your friends to watch this video, because I think more people should watch gaming industry videos. So it's really interesting. It's really interesting because they are not just a gamer. You also understand what's behind this. I mean, they want your pocket money. So they want to sell you virtual currencies for your pocket money. So tell your mama and your papa, they want to have your money. So, all right, see you next time, guys. And please don't buy anything you see in this video. So, I mean, what do I know? See you. Bye-bye.